Look, I have showcased a ton of microphones on this channel, but this one is special. Yes, it's wireless and I've done other wireless mics before, but this one is special, I'm telling you.
Let's do it.
It's because the receiver has the ability to connect to your phone via Bluetooth. So that means anything, any audio output source that you plug this thing into has the capability to now have Bluetooth and basically become a karaoke machine. As you can see, there's not a whole lot to the unboxing experience. It is what it is. Let's put that off to the side, put some styrofoam to the side. Okay, so we got some instructions which we will probably need momentarily because it's a wireless microphone and sometimes you need to look at the instructions. So let's look at the accessories first. Man, that is a big old blue battery. So this battery, I remember it's saying that it'll last about 8 hours per charge and you can charge it up 1,000 times. So as far as, okay, so here's the transmitter. So once you put this in here, this transmitter will last about 8 hours of party time. Now, the batteries that you put in the microphone, I don't know. I don't see any other batteries in here. This is a microphone, it kind of helps to, when you put the microphone, when you put this on the microphone, it actually stops it from rolling around on the floor or the table to protect it from drops and stuff like that. Then you have a micro USB charging cable to charge up your battery while it's in the transmitter here, or the receiver rather. So let's put that to the side and we'll open up the mic. Now let's see what kind of batteries the mic takes. All right, so the mic takes 2 AA batteries, which are not provided in the box. That's kind of odd that they provide you with this gigantic 1500 milliamp battery, and there's no AA batteries in here. So your AA batteries go in here, and while I'm at it, let me just put them in real quick. One there and one there, and then you just put the cap on, and I'll go ahead and turn on the mic and run through that real quick. So you press and hold to turn on the mic. It says on. Let's see here, we got a bunch of different channels. Okay, you got 10 channels you can go through. Let's put it on channel 1, since we don't know what it's gonna need. Let me go back to channel 1. There you go. And it says the batteries are at full charge, and there's a little antenna saying that it has all the bars right now, and it's on channel B. I wonder if you hold this, will it go to channel A? Okay, that doesn't, that's why you need instructions. I'll look at the instructions later. Right now it's set on channel B and channel 1, and the battery's at full charge. So let's go ahead and turn this off real quick because we need to look at the transmitter portion. Oh yeah, by the way, this thing right here, so you basically slip this on your microphone on the side right there, and when you lay it on the table, it doesn't roll around, and that keeps your microphone from rolling off the table. And let's look at this. So you got your USB charging cable right there. Don't need it for right now. Hopefully the battery's got some kind of charge to it. Let's get into this receiver. All right, so it's got this little plastic lanyard right here. I'm not sure what that's good for. Maybe if you just want to walk around with it, I don't know. So on the receiver, you got some info right here, but you have your micro USB charging slot right there. Then you got an on and off toggle. So right here it says pair, and then you have 2 LEDs. No, you got 3 LEDs. You got one to tell you it's charging, one to tell you that it's connected to Bluetooth, and one to let you know the microphone is on. There's some company branding. Once again, this is a 1-ring 6mm input right here. So if you get an adapter, I'm not really sure. I don't have an adapter with me to try this with a 6mm to 3.5mm input to see if it'll work in like a regular Bluetooth speaker. I would imagine it would, but I'm sorry, I don't have an adapter in-house to test that out. That would be cool if you could actually plug this into a regular Bluetooth speaker to see if it works out, but don't have one. But if your audio output device has a 1/4-inch jack for a microphone, you are in business. So let's go ahead and put this battery in here, get this thing fired up just to see how it works. Battery is in and the power switch is on. You know what? This ain't gonna do me no good until we find ourselves a speaker. So let's go. Okay, for all intents and purposes, I have pulled out the big dog, the RK7 from LG, to demonstrate this microphone. So I'm gonna put my phone down here. Now, I know the LG RK7 already has karaoke capabilities, but we are not gonna use those functions. I will prove to you that this is actually hooked up via the phone and the microphone only using those inputs. We will not be using those capabilities. So what I'm gonna do is, let's go ahead and turn this thing on and get it connected to Bluetooth. I hope this is picking up on the camera because I don't have my other camera on right now. So let me go into my Bluetooth settings, and then I'm gonna come over here and hang out with you for just a second. Okay, hopefully you can see this. So, okay, so it's K380T, it's pairing, and it looks like That was a fast pairing. So it's actually connected right there, and it says Bluetooth on the device right here. Plug it in to the input. So it's plugged in, and now I'll go ahead and turn on the RK7. It says mic input ready. So let me turn this on. And what do we have here? Oh, snap. Okay, so the wireless mic is so the wireless mic is actually working. And let me just unplug it. Okay, so now it's not working, so you can hear that it's actually plugged in. So let me play some music on my phone real quick. So we'll do this quick demonstration. Since we're hooked up via Bluetooth right now, I'll play some mic. This is that Fat Pat So Real. I'm playing it on my phone right now. I got the volume up. Let me put it up about halfway. I'm talking into this mic like it's actually on. Okay, so so it's actually playing right now on my phone. As soon as I plug this in, it should start playing. There you go. Oh, yes, it works. Okay, that is so cool. And you control the volume with your phone. Oh, that is so fly. Okay, let me turn that down before I get a copyright on my channel. Don't want no copyright strikes. Let me go into my YouTube music so we can get an instrumental going. Let's go into some Ryan Little real quick. This Silver Surfer. Okay, so this is Ryan Little's Silver Surfer, and once again, this is playing directly from my phone to the receiver of this mic. So basically, that is so cool. Okay, so let me see. Now, the volume of the music. Okay, so I see how the volumes work. So the speaker volume is the mic volume is controlled by the speaker, the output device that you have it plugged into. Now, the Bluetooth or the music volume is actually controlled from the Bluetooth source, which in this case is my phone or tablet or whatever. So it's two separate volumes. So basically, you could have a party going, right? And you could have your music playing, and you could be rapping over it or talking over it. But if you need to turn that music down, it's a separate volume, and your voice stays at the same level, whereas the music is actually muted, and that's a nice feature to have. Now, this thing is supposed to get up to about 80 feet, so you can walk around the room. Let me just walk around real quick. Let me go off camera. Let me go into my office. So we have a wall between us right now. Now I am in the kitchen, and I'm in the breakfast area now. And now I am back in front of the camera. That is so cool. And you know what? It sounds good. I don't notice any delay or anything like that in the music or my voice. So the connection is really strong. It's an RF connection between the mic and the receiver. And it's a Bluetooth connection between the phone and the receiver. So that little device in the back of there is doing a lot of work right now. But let me go ahead and play some more music. That way you get a good feel of how this music sounds in the background. Okay, let me play that Summertime Bop. Or Summertime Boom Bop, that's what it is. Okay. This is nice. So once again, this microphone setup turns anything with a 1/4-inch microphone jack into a karaoke machine, and that is so cool. And this mic, I will tell you that the mic is super light. It doesn't feel like a heavy duty quality mic, but it sounds fantastic. So you don't have to worry about that. No delay, no latency, or nothing like that. The sound is really clean. It just really depends on what kind of output device you're using as far as the speaker setup. But everything I'm noticing so far seems really clean. And I just walked around half of my house, and I didn't hear any breakups or anything like that. So I can definitely approve of this mic. I'm gonna have some fun with this. Before I start acting stupid on this microphone, I'm gonna get out of here and not embarrass myself today. But if you had a good time checking out this video, make sure you throw those emoji hands up in the comment section, and I'll see y'all at the next one. All right, apparently you had a good time watching this video. Well, today is your lucky day, because I done already made a whole bunch of them for you to go back and binge watch. But if you just want to check out the new stuff, you make sure you smash on that subscribe button and tap that little bell. That way you'll know when it's time to come back and open up some new stuff.